About 7 months ago, I was in a minor accident back home. Dr. Ram Mohan explained to us what was going to happen, the entire procedure for a day, and the next day I was discharged. I was able to walk after a day using the walker, and 6 weeks after the surgery, I am doing well. I'm not using the walker anymore. My name is Naomi and I am from Malawi. About 7 months ago, I was in a minor accident back home and I tore my ACL and PCL on my knee, which required me to undergo a reconstruction procedure. So I came to Yashoda hospitals through my medical cover, MedHealth, back in Malawi. Upon arrival in Hyderabad, I was very much welcomed by the hospital staff right from the airport up to the lodging place. And the next day we were taken to the hospital. So when we came to the hospital, we were taken to our attending doctor, Dr. Ram Mohan, who was also very welcoming, very friendly to us, and he explained to us what was going to happen, the entire procedure, in a way that we could understand. The next day we went through a couple of tests just to confirm what the problem was. The surgery went well, and I was in the hospital for a day, and the next day I was discharged. I was able to walk after a day using the walker, and after that we had a couple of doctor visits every 2 weeks where the doctor would review the wounds and the progress of the healing and explain to us how it was going, and recommending to us the physiotherapy routine. And so it's now 6 weeks after the surgery. I am doing well. I'm not using the walker anymore. I am able to walk with the stick now, and I'm sure in the next few weeks I'm going to be able to put full weight on my knee. Thank you.